How to download and install Ollama on Windows. Well, welcome everyone to my channel. Today we are going to install Ollama. Ollama is simply a platform that allows us to run various language models, like type of ChatGPT, right here, directly on our computer, completely free and unlimited, and above all, privately. To start, we'll do the following. Open a new tab and type Ollama into the search bar. Go to the first link, this one here, which is the official Ollama website. Click on it and enter the site. Once inside, go to Downloads to download the installer. And in my case, since I have Windows, I'm going to click Download for Windows. Once we click, the program will start downloading automatically. It's a bit of a heavy program. As you can see, it's 1.2 gigabytes. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a while. Once the download is finished, we move on to the installation. The great thing about Ollama is that it can run on any computer, whether it has a graphic card or not. It even works for AMD graphics, although some adjustments are needed. Okay, the download is finished. I'm going to the Ollama location, in my case, the Downloads folder. And like any other program, double-click to root the installer. The following interface will open, which is the standard Ollama interface. And here, as in Windows, we're just going to install it. This might take a while, it depends. The good part is that once Ollama is installed, we can run quite powerful AIs, like Queen, Gemma, DeepSeek, among others. Alright, I'll let the installation finish and I'll be right back. Okay, Ollama is almost finished. It always taking a little bit. And there we go. The application is installed. As we can see, this is the Ollama interface. It's searching for models here, and since it was just installed and I don't have any models downloaded, it will start looking for models that can be used online. I'll show you in a moment. Okay, it let us select model now. So I'll click and all the ones you see here are online models, which means it will simply connect via the internet to use them. And these that appear here with the download symbol are models that can be saved locally. It's a matter of preference. One of the best is GPT OSS 20B. It's very good, but I need a slightly demanding PC, so that's how it is.